Afternoon, day 30, project 365. Today is Saturday and I'm going to quickly show you my Greenwall, which is behind me here. Greenwall needs a little bit of help. Some of the plants need to be replaced, and I'm going to show you today on how to, what I do to replace them, how to wrap them, and let this wall continue on. Alright, now on the Greenwall we've got little felt squares, and the felt squares we're going to roll them up, and we're going to, they're the little satchel that the plant sits in. So if we have a look at this little plant, it sits here within that and it gets folded in. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then we're going to put it into the wall, and this gives it the ability for the roots to continue to grow, and they mesh into the wall as well. Alright, so this felt pocket, so we're going to fold the top down just like that. We're going to put the plant, we got rid of a lot of the soil. We don't want a lot of soil on here because it won't fit in the wall, and the whole point of the pocket is to make sure that the roots grow into this pocket, then into the wall itself, so into the felt. So let's put it here like that, push it down, we fold the bottom over right to that page. We go all the way up to the top of that. Top of the fold down the side nice and tight. We want to fold it nice and tight because this is what keeps, you don't want any air in here. Nice and tight again, just like that. So it's a nice pocket, and then we're just going to put an elastic band on it just to hold it into place until it's able to grow into the wall. So that's pocket one, and I'll show you how that goes in the wall next. We're going to pull back the pocket just off the wall a bit, and we're going to push the spider plant into that socket just like that. You can see that alright, and now that forms part of the wall. Has been updated. Hopefully I'll check back in a couple of months just to show you how it's growing. It takes a little while to sort of kick on, but job done. It's hot, going for a swim. Peace out everybody, love you, see you tomorrow.